Hello, in this video, we're looking at logarithmic equation. So how do we solve logarithmic equation? We just use the fact that logarithm is 1-to-1. So if you have f of x is equals to f of y, we have this, then we know that what x is going to be y, because if you have log ax equals to log a of y, then surely you can drop the logarithm and just go with x is equals to y. But this is very important. We know that the domain of a logarithm is what is 0 to infinity, open. So it is necessary to always check the what? The solution. So to solve example 3, here what we need to do is we use our laws of logarithm. This is addition. We can change this to multiplication so that you have log x minus 2 times x plus 3. Then this right-hand side, we have log x squared plus 1. Now, if you look at both left-hand side and the right-hand side, you are having log to base 10. So we can drop the log and just go with x squared plus 1 is equals to x minus 2 times x plus what? Plus 3. Now, this will give us x squared plus 1 is equals to, we can multiply here so that you have x squared plus 3x minus 2x, and this will be minus 6. So this will be x squared plus 1 is equals to x squared plus, I think, x minus 6. So this x squared will go with this x squared. We can solve for x. X is just 1 plus 6. So x is equals to what? X is equals to 7. And now we can always check, because if you substitute 7 here, 7 squared plus 1 is positive. So it's fine. If we substitute 7 here, 7 minus 2 is going to be 5. This will be 50. And if you put substitute 7 here, you have 10. So you can see all the arguments are positive. So the solution is just 1. Now, to solve the b, we can rewrite this as 2 log of what? 9x plus 1 equals to what? 6. But well, how do we get 6? Just transfer 3 to the other side and we get this. So this will be 2 log of 9x plus 1 equals to 6. So we can divide both sides by 2 so that you just have log 9x plus 1 equals to 3. So here you can change to logarithm, you can change to exponential form because this is like log to base 10. So we'll have 9x plus 1 is equals to 10 to the power 3. So this will be 9x plus 1 is equals to 1,000, right? So 9x is going to be 1,000 minus 1, which will be 999. So divide both sides by 9, x will just be 111. And you can see it's going to be fine. If you put substitute 111 into here, it's going to give you positive. So x, we have only one solution. All right. So for this one, the c is also similar. You just combine this, just change this to multiplication. You have x bracket what? X plus 15. And this is equals to 2, right? And what can we do here? We just have to change to this side. If you look at these 2, we can write another way. We can write 2. We can write 2 as log to what? We can write 2, if you look carefully, we can write 2 as log to base 10 of what? Of 2, right? Or you can write it as just log to base. You don't need to put it in terms of log. We can just change this to what? To just exponential form. Okay, I think the pen is hanging. So here it's going to be still 2. Okay, finally it's working now. So this is like 10. So this will be x bracket x plus 15 is equals to what? 10 squared, right? So this is x squared plus what? 15x. And this is equals to 100, right? So what can we do? We try to factorize minus this is equals to 0. And I think this will just be x plus what? 20 and x minus 5. I think this will do the job. So x is equals to minus 20 or x is equals to 5. But can we use minus 20? No, this will have to be discarded because if x is minus 20, this will be, you can't take logarithm of a negative number here. So we have to go with what? We have to go with only one solution. So this is rejected. And this will go. So our solution is just x is equals to 5. All right. Now for this one here, we can write as log 2x plus 8 and what? 2x plus 13. And this is log of 4 minus x, right? So we can drop the logarithm. So you have 4 minus x is x plus 8 multiplied by 2x times 13. If you expand this, this will give you 2x squared plus 13x. Then plus, this is 16x. And this will give us, I think, 104. That's 8 times 13, 104. And here we have this one. So we can transfer everything to this side. So this is 2x squared plus, this is 13x plus 16x. This is minus x, becomes plus x. Plus, this is 104. Take this 4 to this is minus 4. So you have 2x squared plus, this is 16. 13 plus 16 plus 1 will give us what? 30, right? So 30x, then plus 100, right? So we can divide both sides by 2. So this is x squared plus 15x plus what? Plus 20. 20, oh no, not 20, 50, because we are dividing both sides by 2. So here we can factorize this as x plus 10 and what? X plus 5. Which simply means x is minus 10 or x is what? Minus 5. But which one do we reject? Or look now, if you take minus 10, here if you put minus 10 here, it's okay. But if you substitute minus 10 here, minus 10 plus 8, this will go to minus 2, which becomes negative. So it means minus 10 cannot work because we can't have the logarithm of a negative number. But for minus 5 is okay. It works for every. So you have to check for every term here. If you put minus 5 here in the first term, minus 5, 4 minus minus 5 is 9. If you substitute it here, minus 5 plus 8 is positive number. If you substitute it here, you will have minus 10. We're substituting minus 5. So you have minus 10 plus 13, which will be positive. So this is the one we need to reject. And this will go. So our solution is x is equals to minus 5. All right. So let's solve one more. This one is this. So the same way, we just write this as log of 5 and this is 4x. We can put them together. We can change it to division. So this is 4x plus 3 over 2x plus what? Plus 5. And this is equals to minus 2, right? So we just change the subtraction to division. And then now we can write this as 4x plus 3 over 2x plus 5 equals to what? 5 to power minus 2, right? And what that means is 4x plus 3 over 2x plus 5 is going to be what? 1 over 5 square, right? Which we can write as 1 over 25. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Now we can cross multiply. So you have 25 multiplying 4x plus 3. It simply equals to 25x plus 1. And then what is this? This is going to be 100x, right? Plus, I think it's 75, yes, equals to 2x plus 5. So this will be what we can subtract. So this is going to be 100x minus what? 2x is equals to 5 minus 75. So here we are having 98x is equals to what? Minus 70. Really? Okay, so this means that x is what's minus 70 over what's over 98. So these we can try to reduce this this 2 here. So 2 into 70 is going to be minus 35. Okay, so this is minus 35. And this is going to be what? This is going to be 49, I think. Yes. And we can use 7. 7 here will give us 5. 7 here will give us 7. So our answer is minus. So our x is minus 5 over 7. Yes, so you can check, does it work? Minus 5 over 7. Try to substitute here to see whether it will be positive number here. If you try to substitute, let's substitute here first. You have 2 times minus 5 over 7 plus 5. Definitely this is a positive number because this is just minus 10 over 7 plus 5. This is a small number, you add 5, so this is positive, right? Also, you can put it, substitute it here. You will have 4 times minus plus what? Plus 3. This will give us minus 20 over 7 plus 3. Yes, this is a positive number because minus 20 over 7 is going to be less than what? It's about minus 2 point something. Minus 2 point something plus 3 is a positive number. So in both cases, it means we're good. So our x is just equals to minus 5 over 7. All right, so that is the end for this video. So watch out for the third part, which will be dealing with the solution of the exercises. If you find it interesting, share with your friends. Thank you for watching.